how to deactivate your Tinder account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In this video I will simply show you how you can deactivate your Tinder account, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to deactivate your Tinder account, now I'm doing this procedure from my Tinder website, not from the app. So go to tinder.com and then make sure to sign into your Tinder account. Once you go to tinder.com and then sign into your account, you want to come to your profile tab by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right. Once you tap on the profile icon over here, you'll find this option that says settings. You want to make sure to just tap in the settings button, and then you would need to scroll down to the very bottom of the screen until you find the option called delete account. Just tap on delete. Now when you tap on delete, you have two options, which says hide my account and delete my account. Now hiding your account is similar to deactivation. Keep in mind that on Tinder, hiding means deactivating, which means when you hide your account, it is going to be hidden from other profiles and your profile is not going to be active. Other people won't be able to find you. If you only want to hide your account, you can do that. But if you want to delete your account, then you can do that as well. But of course, we're not doing that in this video. We have left that for the later video. You can just choose the option called hide my account, and now you can see that we have successfully deactivated our Tinder account. If you'd like to activate it again, come back, tap on the gear icon over here, scroll down to the bottom, tap on delete account, and here you'll find the option called delete my account if you want to delete your account as well. Or else you could just come back, you can just enable discovery, and then you'll be able to view other profiles on Tinder again. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then view and then deactivate your Tinder account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.